take care of finding the right program and product for you, because everyone's different, and not all lenders are the same. So Guaranteed Rates, one of the largest lenders in the entire nation, cheap their name. And we have access to every single program that's out there, grant programs, down payment assistance, first-time home buyer programs, even programs for investors. We have programs that have low doc, no doc programs for, as far as no tax returns and pay stubs for investors if they're buying an investment property. We can go off of whatever the investment property is going to rent for. We can use that as your income. So some really unique products and programs out there that we have. But, a first-time home buyer really just needs to be prepared and budget and know what you can afford per month. That's really what it comes down to, is knowing that you're not going to overextend yourself. You want to be able to live comfortably, not mortgage payment poor every month, right? So you just got to get financial order, and then let me know what that number is, and then we'll try to structure around, what your purchase price limit will be. The thing is, it's going to be different for every property, your purchase price limit. Every property has different taxes. Every property has different insurance costs. I just had one today that was in the city that we were in a flood certification, and now it's in a flood zone. So he has to now budget for an extra $100 a month for flood insurance that we didn't know about, until we ran that flood certification. You just have to make sure, that you're putting yourself in a good situation. You will be building equity every time you make a payment, like a different bank account, a different savings account. You make a payment, it's not all just disappearing like rent. Part of that payment's going towards the equity position in your home, and your home is appreciating in value. So
that's good.
Yep. So working with the right realtor, the right team is essential. I have 24 years experience doing this in the community, and looking at the reviews of the person that you're working with is very important. Never got less than 5 stars in my whole career. So, making sure everyone's taken care of and knows exactly, and they're educated throughout the process. So when someone makes an offer on a house, I don't let them really, they text me first the address before they make an offer. So I can send them over a detailed loan summary on that particular property, on exactly how it's going to end up if you buy this house. You'll know that up front when you're making your offer with me. With other places, you're just going to get a pre-approval letter, and they're going to say, hey, good luck, go shop.
Go step back up, because I don't want you to skip past how important that is, right? When you identify your dream home, and then you want to send that address over to Jerry, and then you're going to give them go into a little detail about that right there, because that's about.
I'm pretty good at making these loan summaries, generating them. We look up the tax bill. I'll try to call insurance agents, try to get an estimate of what the insurance would look like. And then when I have all those figures and numbers, I enter that in our systems, and we generate a detailed loan summary, which will be pretty mirror like what your closing will look like when you get a closing disclosure at closing. It'll tell you, and what's important is you'll know exactly how much you need to bring to closing as far as a check, how much money is going to need to facilitate the transaction. And then you'll know a very good estimate of what the payments. So, that's obviously very important when you're making these offers homes. You want to make sure you're comfortable, able to, afford the payment, and it's going to work out for you.
That's good. That's good, Jerry. I just